And I'm back. It's that time of the year where I cut branches. It's August. They're hobbly. It's hot. There's been no rain for 2 months. It's August. And the parties are over in this village, but they're just starting in other villages. Anyway, I'm here. I'm not cutting oak. This one is a Fresno, I believe, or ash. It's ash. But I'm cutting wild cherry. Guindo, as they're called here. Sour cherries. Beautiful in the spring with all their white flowers. Now they're a substitute for Southey, which doesn't exist too much on this collection of pastures. So no willow. Well, there is some willow, but it's too big to cut with a handsaw. So it is time to cut the wild cherry. And this is pretty good firewood too. So there's that as well. Although I'm cutting it in August, it won't really be ready until next year. But that's okay. They're also quite thin. They're not, they're hardwood, but see, not exactly robust for firewood. But good. All right. So, there's a shot of the boys going after leaves. Nitos may come over and see if I have some to offer him alone. No, he's eating stinging nettle, which is, I'm sure, good for his vitamin intake. Okay, very good. I'll do a little bit more cutting and then onwards to other places. See you later.